Great news, I am now accepting students for the Impact Video Marketing course. The cart is open for entrepreneurs and small businesses just like yourself to move forward in creating a long-term video marketing strategy with impact. Video marketing is the next big thing in the entrepreneurial world, and now is the time to hop on board before it's too late. Small businesses and entrepreneurs are using our new methodology and are succeeding because of the impact storytelling system. Now, does this mean that you'll excel in creating a sustainable video marketing plan with impact overnight? Well, that depends. The truth is there are many factors that go into the impact storytelling system, and as with everything, individual results can vary. Most people who don't succeed, they simply aren't committed to the video marketing aspect of their business. What will take you to the next level? It's 100% dedication. I didn't go to film school, but I've been super successful in this industry. Our company got to this point through commitment to the craft, building trust among our clients, and growing our online presence. After being in this industry for over a decade, I can say with all confidence that the Impact Video Marketing course we've created is one of the most resourceful and useful courses out there. Whether you're trying to promote a product or have a service-based business, I'll be there to help you every step of the way. You'll discover your unique stories, learn how to shoot and edit videos that are really impactful, and most importantly, learn how to successfully market your business. People want to know who your brand truly is and what it stands for. The struggles, the successes, and everything in between. We believe in transparency, and that's why I'm not going to hold anything back in this course. I'll tell you every last detail that has made our client video marketing campaigns truly successful. As much as I've always seen myself as a creative director behind the camera, telling the beautiful stories of businesses and entrepreneurs that they have to share, I never figured my ability to find unique stories behind someone's brand was a talent in itself until people started coming to me with not only the need to edit beautiful footage of their product or service, but to provide them with the hidden messages they didn't know they had that make customers truly connect. I always knew I was talented at filmmaking, but the reason the clients we have keep coming back and referring others is because of our unique ability to tell stories that resonate. We've done it for artists and authors and life coaches, apps, lifestyle products, destinations, and more. And I can't wait to help you do the same. Lucky for you, I took all of my expertise and turned it into a course. By now, you're probably wondering, oh, what's included? So here's exactly what you're getting. Module 1 is set up for success. I'll lead you through a mindset shift because the difference in succeeding or not is going to be this, and it's having the right mindset. You'll also get an intro to everything that lies ahead over the next 6 weeks. Experiencing a mindset shift will allow you to really focus on your goals that you want to achieve without letting any previous bias or fears get in the way. Whatever you want to achieve for your business in regards to video can happen without fear and instead with confidence and a new mindset geared toward achieving greatness. Module 2 is storytelling strategy. I'll reveal the secret sauce of what makes our impact storytelling system really work. We also go over different video marketing types and identify what your audience really wants from you. Identifying what your audience wants will keep your current audience engaged and excited and also put you on the path to building a bigger community. This can all be achieved with our secret sauce. Module 3 is pre-production. We'll set you up for success by getting you familiar with your equipment, and you can use anything from an iPhone to a DSLR, it doesn't really matter. You can shoot great videos with either. We'll also go over styling, props, and wardrobe, and everything you need to know about setting the scene. Paying attention to details can make all the difference in how your audience actually engages with you. Module 4 is video principles. We will cover all the bases, including shooting, lighting, how to interview someone, your on-camera presence, which is oh so important, and how to be creative director, how to think like an editor when filming, and so much more. We will also give you several sample films to watch so that you can see the different styles that are out there and allow you to start brainstorming and trying out shooting and figuring out what style is best for you and your brand. Module 5 is editing with ease. You'll get to look over my shoulder as we walk through a few different types of video edits. You'll see the start to finish editing process, including importing footage, shot sequencing, color correction, sound, and so much more. Having this guidance will allow you to understand every detail. You will then have all the skills and information you need to put together content that has all the essential ingredients to come out with a brilliant recipe with your own creative ideas. Module 6 is launching your video marketing plan. We'll set you up for long-term video marketing success with our 30-90 roadmap. By following this test and repeat formula, you won't be left with any doubts in the direction that you need to steer your business for a long-term video marketing plan. The secret to our business's success has been about over-delivering, and we're actually going to do that same thing for you here in this course. That's why you're getting bonuses included in the price of the Impact Video Marketing course. Bonus number 1 is a guide to overcoming your fear of being on camera. Some people have been asking me about the moment I truly felt comfortable on camera and how I got to that point. The answer is simple, and it comes along with the bonus. If you're planning on being on camera, it won't sell or deliver impact without a proper on-camera presence. The answer is simple, and it comes along with the bonus. Bonus number 2 is access to our private Facebook group. It's basically a virtual mastermind. You'll meet a like-minded community of individuals who are also super dedicated to grow their business through video marketing. This is a $947 value. Okay, it's time to make our relationship official. When you click the button under this video to sign up for the Impact Video Marketing course, you'll be led to a page where you can securely enter your credit card details. You can join the course for a one-time payment of $647, and if you don't have the money saved up right now, you can still do it and hop on board for 4 easy installments. But the way I see it is this isn't going to cost you anything at all, because it's actually an investment in your career growth, and that, my friend, is truly priceless. What comes after signing up? You'll immediately receive an onboarding email with the course access details. And this is where the fun really starts. You will be plugged into a like-minded community with the same motivation, fire, and goals you have. You'll have instant access to all the bonus content. FYI, it's available to you 24/7, so you can watch it whenever you want and whenever it fits your schedule. The course is broken down into bite-sized, very doable pieces. The Monday after you sign up, the course actually begins. Okay, real talk, I have a lot of interest in this course, so don't wait around to sign up. Impact storytelling will get you the results for your business, so if you're committed, take advantage of this opportunity right now. Having smaller classes is what allows this course to truly deliver results. The course starts soon, so time is of the essence. Once the countdown timer on this page hits 0, registration will close. So if you're truly interested in creating a sustainable video marketing plan for your business that doesn't take too much time and really reaches your target audience, you have to act as soon as possible. I can't wait to see you in there.